Okay, here live on my YouTube channel. Alright, once again, welcome everyone! Alright, here we are in Oeiras, Portugal, in the ISD Central Campus, in the ISD Tagus Park campus actually, and also everybody is watching us online. Greetings to you, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So today, this is our public events of the Space Studies program of the International Space University, number 8. So this has been a while that we are running lots of distinguished lectures, panels, and today's event is a very, very interesting one. It's a very hands-on one. I don't know if you are actually seeing it here, but you will soon. So today, as I announced a couple of days ago, on Tuesday, I mentioned that we are running a demonstration, a simulation of a Mars sample return mission. Very exciting stuff. I will not go into details because I want our expert, our speaker, our guest to explain the details of this competition. And to run this competition as the competition director or master, I can call, we have Professor Kazuya Yoshida with us, traveling from all the way from Japan. Welcome, Professor Yoshida-san.
Thank you very much. Thank you for a great introduction.
Yeah, and Professor Yoshida is coming from Tohoku University. He has been involved with ISU for many, many years, almost 25 years now. Of course, his real expertise in space robotics, okay? So he has contributions on many missions, including the famous Hayabusa sample return mission. So he's actually bringing samples from far, far away from asteroids. But today he's running a very local sample return mission.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you very much for your contributions, and the floor is yours.
Yes, thank you. Thanks so much. Hi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody in the world. So welcome to the robotics competition of the SSP of the International Space University. So I'm Professor Yoshida and organizing this robotics competition. As G2 mentioned, that I have more than 20 years of the experience and working together with the students and faculty members of the ISU to make this event or the educational event as a whole very exciting. So then one of the excitement is a robotics competition, as you know. And then I'm doing a space robotics for many years. Then through this event, through this opportunity, I hope all of you feel that space robotics is a great thing. So that's the main goal. So then to make the robot work, the hands-on activity is very, very important. So this event is to demonstrate, students can demonstrate their robot and get the hands-on experience, how the robots should be designed and how the robots should work in the real environment, then how we test it, then how we get very big excitement from the robotics activities. So let me quickly introduce this competition field and rule. So we have the bounded area marked by white duct tape. This is approximately 8 and 5 meters in size. So all the robots should work inside this field. So in the field, we have one black marked place. So this is landing site. So every mission should start from the landing site. So then every team just can bring the robot and start from here. Then in this field, we have multiple obstacles. So the Martian field, please imagine the Martian field, there are a number of the rocks and boulders. So these boulders are demonstrated by fire bricks today. So then it's very large and heavy, so not to push and not to fight against those bricks. So then your robot should detect it and making an avoidance maneuver. So this is another one of the important aspects. But more importantly, the goal of the mission is to collect the variable stuff from the surface of the Mars. So we demonstrate such variable things as such plastic beads, but we call them gemstones. So the goal of the mission is to collect as many gemstones as possible in a given time frame. And the extra success should be awarded if the robot collects many gems and return to this landing position. So then stop it. So then we recognize that the robot complete the sample acquisition and return mission. This is a perfect demonstration of the sample return activity. So I believe that this year we have 4 teams and that compete each other, and then they will try the highest score on this stage. So this is not like a fighting kind of the competition, but just we give the opportunity to all 4 teams an equal time and equal opportunity. So then I try the higher scores. So then after each trials, we evaluate the performance. Then I give a score. So that's the idea of the competition. So then speaking about these gemstones, I already prepared 100 pieces, but just for you guys, students, I would like to add some additional gems so that you can achieve much greater scores. So then, as you see, all these things are scattered in completely random way. So then a robot should show some flexibility or versatility to the not very well defined environment. So that is also be a part of the competition. Okay, so if everybody is ready to go, okay, yes, just before that, going on the competition, I'd like to introduce our staff members. We have 2 judges and to watch, then give the marks on the performance of the student's robot. So the first judge is Shurap. He is a teaching assistant of this great event. And so please welcome. And the second judge is Su In Tan. She is the visiting faculty member of this space industry. And I'd like to introduce another person, another teaching assistant of this event, Yen Jae, that he is a scorer, so he calculates the award point. So yeah, so please welcome. Okay, if everything is ready, let me call the first team to challenge. So team number 1, please come over here. Okay, so yes, one spokesman, yes, make a quick introduction. Okay, they forget to bring the robot. We launched a rocket without your robot. that doesn't make anything happen. But okay, now, everything is ready. So just please start the introduction. Then yes, you just set up your robot.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Gabor, and our team. Marie, our robotic controller, Leonor and Tanya, and Edward, who unfortunately cannot be here, but hello Edward, wish you all the best. So, what are we seeing here? Our robot, the star of the show, his name is Rex, or G-Rex, and what it's supposed to do? Well, picking up gems, ideally avoid obstacles, and in the best case scenario, also returning the gems to the base. And that's our best hope, but see how it performs.
Okay, so thank you very much. And just before starting, I would like to give one more information. So for all the team, the 10 minutes is given all together. So this time is shown on the screen like a countdown timer. So, but during these 10 minutes, students can try 3 times at maximum. So if the one trial fails within 10 minutes, so you can try again using the remaining time. So there are 3 times at maximum. At each each trial we check the performance and give a score. Then the highest score among 3 trials is retained as team score. So, okay, is everything clear? Now, okay, we can go on the first trial, the team number 1. So yes, let's make a countdown from 5. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, yes, seems that's starting. So this robot is completely autonomous. So then it carries a sensor. The sensor detects the environment. First of all, that is detecting of the boundary. It works perfect. Great. So then it has the sample collection mechanism. So far, I believe that it works okay. Good. Yeah, making a very straightforward travel and come to the other side and detect it successfully and making the change the direction. And doing another run. Okay, so approaching to the boundary detection. That's successful. Okay, good.
Let's have some go.
Yeah, okay, getting some samples. Yeah. So it approach fire bridge. Oh no detection. Okay, yeah, perfect detection. Oh, it faced the obstacle. Then yes, yeah, very nice performance. So yes, then please go to the robot and yes, the ship stop it. So the terminate, stop the timer, and the first trial is now terminated. So please stop the countdown and hold this time. Yes, this time. So then I asked the team to bring the robot so that we can count how many gems are collected in this first trial. Wow, very many gems. Wow, great number. So this is how that our judging system is running. But just a color doesn't matter. Just a total number is important. Yeah. Okay, so then shut up. You prepare for a second. Okay, so just come over here, or just yes, please report that team number 1 for the first trial, the avoidance with contact, how many? 0 contact. But the avoidance without contact, 5. But 3? I think I will observe it only 1. But the boundary is not counted. Oh, yeah, just the one obstacle. Yeah, only 1. But more importantly, how many gems are collected? 21 gems are collected. So that makes the point of the 325. Yeah, that's a great point. Yes, yeah, 325. So, but the team has still 8 minutes, more than 8 minutes to try on this one. So, then if you are, okay, the timekeeper, are you ready to restart continue the counting down? Yep. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, this is the team 1, the second trial. So, okay, so this is a contact or non-contact? Contact avoidance, that's one time. Yeah. Yeah, boundary. Oh, that's up. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Stay in the front. to stop it? Okay, so let's stop the trial, and stop the countdown timer. Yes, thank you. And no. Just bring the robot to here. So then if that's some James, yes, get off from the robot. This is unfortunately not perfect. Not perfect. And so just just everything that we brought here. One avoidance with
Hello.
Okay, so again, the team number one, the second trial, the one contact avoidance that makes 10 points, and then one gem, actually this contact avoidance give 5 points. Then one gem collected, this gives 15 points, that makes 20 altogether. So the second trial, okay, good. 20. So, but still they have time to try the final trial. So there are, I believe, 6 minutes 40 seconds. So this is a real final trial. So okay, so let's go on the final trial and counting down in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, yes, it made a smooth start. Nice sample collections. Okay, and come to the boundary. Yes, detect successfully and return to the field. It's perfect. And it approaches to the but they just made a contact avoidance maneuver successful. Yes, it's stay in the field. Go. Oh, it comes back to the central match. Now the final trial completed successful. So this is a real sample return. So in this case that we give the double score on the collected gem. Okay, so just please lift up the robot carefully, bring to the judges table so that we can count.
Carefully.
Team number 2, okay, so yes, let me report the score. So the team number 1, third trial, the avoidance with contact 2 times, and then collected gem 9. So, but these gem points are double.
That's good.
Okay, so this double the gem points, then it makes 280. 280. Wow. Okay, so then team number 1 made the first trial 3 to 5, second trial 20, and third trial 280. So then the best score among the 3 trials, that is the first one, 325. So 325 is the final score of the team number 1. So congratulations. I believe that that's a great number. That's a great number. So that is a very make that other teams very hard to challenge. So then other teams should get much higher score than that. But anyway, I'm very happy to invite the second team to challenge, and that is team number 2. So please come over here. So please welcome. Okay, so yes, sportsman, introduce your team.
Thank you. Hi, everybody. I'm Idan from Israel, and we have a great team. We have Felipe from Portugal, Anish from India, and Danishi from Japan. Big applause to the guys. So we are Team Star Trek is the robot. Okay, I'll say it again. Team Star Trek is the robot. Big applause. Our robot uses really secret stuff. I cannot tell you about it, and you have to see by yourself. So good luck. I hope we win. I'm sure we will win. Pilot, please.
Okay, yes, I will make a countdown. And so, yeah, thank you very much for the great introduction. So is everybody ready to go? So let's count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, the robot made a smooth start, and they are traveling in the field, and it looks like collecting some gems already. Okay, so such a scooping mechanism works okay. The first challenge is this boundary. Okay, yeah, it lost some gems, but it was made a perfect U-turn to the field, and getting more gems. Nice and stable. And that place is unfortunately very sparse. Not many gems. Only the boundary. Okay. It lost that some gems. Correction mechanism design, that is very important aspect. So always when we consider the robot, the mechanical design is one thing. Okay, this is the contact and avoidance maneuver. So this is made by the sensor and feedback control. So it has an onboard processor, and the student developed the software to make such an autonomous control. So this is also the very important aspect in the development of the robotic system. Okay, making the another hit and avoidance maneuver successfully. Maybe another opportunity is coming, hit and back, making avoidance. Then target to another obstacle, another successful avoidance maneuver. Okay, looks great. Then it comes to the corner. This is a bit tricky, but okay, perfect U-turn. To get gems and approaching to the obstacle. Okay, very perfect contact and avoidance maneuver. Another contact and avoidance. Yeah, so these obstacles are located completely in a random way, but this robot, they are very precisely, get lift up, carefully, vertically, and then bring to the. Okay, in the first trial, Team 2 made a great job. So now we are counting the performance. Okay, so yes, I will announce the performance. Okay. Yeah. Just a double check the number of the team counting. Okay, 9. All right. So the team 1, the first trial performance is contact avoidance with contact 7 times. 7. And there are gemstones collected 9, but this 9 is the bonus flag. This point doubled. So it comes to the point of yeah, this is only counting. Yes. So this makes 305 points. Yeah, that's great. That's great. But yeah, still, the team has more opportunity to make two more trials. So yeah. So far this the team 1 made 325. That is a current champion. Then the second is 305. So the team is higher score than that. Than 325. So, okay, yes, now let's go to the second trial. Okay, counting down from 3. Oh, are you ready or not? Yeah. Okay, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. So go on the second trial for the team 2. And just making smooth start and then a very nice, successful contact and avoidance maneuver is achieved. It comes to the boundary. Okay. Successful detection and remain in the field.
Out of the backup sound?
Okay, approaching to the another obstacle. Yeah, successful contact and avoidance maneuver achieved. Okay, yeah, it works. Oh, it looks like coming back to the black mat, but oh, it stop. Okay, perfect performance. Okay, so then we do repeat the same things to evaluate the performance. We will performance. We will report the performance. The avoidance maneuver twice, and the collected gems 4.
I like your shirt.
This makes the sample return bonus is counted. That makes 130 points for the second trial. No. Okay, so the team has just please show the remaining time and how many minutes, how many seconds. Okay, 6 minutes. 6 minutes is left for the final trial. Okay, so the team number 2, the final trial is ready to go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it looks like you're coming back. Okay. it continued for the sample collection activities. Looks almost perfect. Okay.
You guys that this black one.
And now the 4 minutes 30 seconds remaining in this final trial. So he's almost exploring the
Same area, same region. So yeah, he needs to go to some Oh yes.
Okay, yeah, the contact and avoidance.
So he changed the orientation. Yeah, traveling to the more gym beach area. Okay. It approaches to the obstacle and detect and avoid it. Good. And approaching to the boundary. Boundary.
Camilo.
Detection is okay.
Camilo.
Camilo. Good. Just step back a little bit. Thank you. Okay, approaching to the another obstacle.
Okay, nice detection and avoidance. Yep. So what we need such a perfect autonomous maneuver. Yeah, in the sense that the student made very great job. So for the general audience, that the students started this activity this past Monday. So only few days to develop, design, and to complete such a nice, capable robot.
Such a short time. That is a very great thing.
And approaching to the another obstacle, and detect it and avoid it. Great. So 2 minutes 20 seconds left. Approaching to the boundary. Good. And approaching to the another obstacle. Yes. Detect it, avoid it. Okay, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. It corrects, seems to correct more and more gems, I hope. And contact and avoidance. Okay, another contact and avoidance. Good. 1 minute 30 seconds. Yes, good. Contact, avoidance. Approaching to the corner of the field. Yeah. Okay, yes, in the field. Oh, very good. Okay, coming back to the black mark. Wow, yeah, the miss that the black mark, but approaching to the another. So only 50 seconds. 50 seconds like that. Please watch. Please look at the.
So pay attention to that. Yeah. 40 seconds.
40 seconds left. And yes, it looks like coming back to the middle field.
30 seconds. It missed the center mat.
And now the 20 seconds left. So pay attention to the countdown timer. We have only 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, stop the robot. Okay, the time trial is terminated, completed now. Then I bring the robot to the judge so that we will give you the evaluation of the performance of your robot. Okay, so I'm happy to report the performance. So 11 avoidance maneuvers successfully conducted with contact, and then 10 gems are collected. So that makes how many? Okay, that makes a 205 points. So very good, congratulations. So this means that the first trial made 305 points, so that retains as a team record. So the currently the team number 2 is in the second position in the competition. So yeah, congratulations, thank you very much for your great time and effort to make it happen. So okay, so now I'd like to invite the team number 3, the third challenger of this competition. So who is the sportsman? Okay, so please introduce your team.
Hi everybody, this is Manikumar and this is my team. He is Amrish, who is robot pilot here, and he is Kishore, he is our robot controller, and we are supporters. Okay, so actually our team name is Rosmac. Basically the name is taken from our names, basically. Robot made by Sejal, Mani, Kishore and Amrish. So that way it was named Rosmac. And the name of the team is the Paragons, because you have to collect gems, and Paragons means the 100-carat diamonds. So we have put names like that, and we hope that we'll win this competition. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much for your introduction. Okay, so now that we are familiar with the rules, so yes, is everybody ready? And up. Ready. What's up? Okay, it takes some time for the starting procedure. Okay, so now it's okay. Now that the robot power is on, then yes, let's make a countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. The robot team number 3 started very smoothly and traveling straight forward, collecting the gems and approaching to the boundary. It detects successfully and make just changing maneuver, staying in the field and approaching to the another boundary. Okay.
It's good design.
Looks good. Approaching to the obstacle, yes, it detects and avoid it with contact sensor, and approaching to the boundary. Oh yeah, finally the boundary is detected and stay in the field. Okay. Looks good. Okay, stay in the field and yes,
more gems are collected nicely. Yeah, another gem collected and stored in the robot. Okay, it comes the boundary, nicely detected. Good. Okay, this area is very sparse. No gems, unfortunately. Just approaching to the boundary and detected perfectly. It lost one gem. They made it. Come to the another boundary. Okay. Good. Okay.
Narrow on the line. Where do you go? Take the wrong way. You're gonna go. But this is really well. Wait, he picked them back?
Oh, now that yes, this obstacle has a GoPro on board. So yeah, we must got a very nice shot. Okay. Okay, coming to this corner, but there are a couple of gems. Oh, now the collected. Yeah, successfully. And then successful boundary detection. Oh, more gems are collected. Oh, good. Yeah, very nice, perfect, and precise maneuver. Very nice design.
It is. Some sense.
Good.
No, it's not.
Great. Okay. Another yes, obstacle detection and avoidance. Yeah, straight line travel toward the red gem or the missing. Following the line and yes, detect the boundary. And perfect, yes, turning mission, great. And obtained one more gem in this area.
I think it's just it's like more points. Like
Yeah,
double,
you get more points if you
double
keep
points.
those missions.
Okay, nice, stable, perfect operation. Good.
How do they do that?
Okay.
Like random, right? Randomly. It always goes left.
Oh, good. Wow, very reliable performance.
Program move, but I push a little bit left.
Congratulations.
Going back to the last place, random. Oh, yes. I was talking to them and some of the things were
Okay, approaching to the another boundary. Challenge. Works perfect. Okay, get more gem. Yeah, it comes to the central field. Oh, collecting more gems. Okay. Great. Okay. Wow, every action looks so precise. Okay. Okay, it's now moving to the center. Okay, if it gets the block, and it. Just carefully bring the robot. Yeah, do not drop off anything. Yes. No, this is not. Yes, then go back. We can expect a really high score from this challenge. Yeah, it's not easy to find. Oh, wow.
let me announce the score. So team number 3, the first trial, the avoidance maneuver, only three contact avoidance maneuver, but collected gem is great, 31 pieces. And the discounts are doubled because the bonus, the sample return is completed. That makes, please listen to me, the 945 points. Oh, that's a very great point. Great performance. And still, the team has a second trial. Okay, so almost 4 minutes remaining. So, you guys ready to go? Okay, I believe that yes, everything is ready. So the second trial, 3. Oh, just a moment. Now we set up a camera. Okay, so the second trial, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Wow, this team made a great job. So robot looks very perfect and very reliable in many aspects of the operation and autonomous actions. The sample collection and the boundary detection and returning and behavior, staying in the field. Okay, good. Then approaching to the obstacle, touch and detect and avoid it. Perfect. That's a little bit tricky maneuver, but very successful. Congratulations. Okay, the obstacle detected, avoided. Okay. Now that we check the time, the remaining time, the 2 minutes 50 seconds. What's up? Okay, so it stops. So there are, yes, stop the timer. The trial number 2. Yes. Yeah, already stopped. No problem. Short time performance, but it already gets many gems. So yeah, this mechanical design is very nice. So the team number 3, the second trial, the performance was 3 times of the contact avoidance maneuvers and 11 gems. That makes the 103. So that makes 180 points. So yeah, then the team has one more trial by using, I think, the 2 minutes something. And so yeah, anyway, yes, we try. So yeah, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, so let's go on 3, 2, 1, go. Go on the final trial by team 3 and making smooth start like previous trials. And it's getting gems successfully. Oh, what's up? It detects the non-contact and contact. Yeah, it's a bit tricky to count, but maybe one non-contact and one contact. Okay, it's very early coming back. It will detect. Oh, okay. Yeah, the system worked perfectly. So trial number 3 is completed successfully. Great performance.
score the avoidance with contact twice, and the avoidance non-contact one time, and corrective gem 7, and it achieved the sample return bonus. So that makes 230 is a point. So all three trials, the robot number 3 get a very, very good performance, and congratulations. So the team record at this point is 945. Wow, very, very nice point, very high point. So that team number 3 is current champion. But there is, we have one more team to challenge in this competition. So team number 4, please come over here and make line up and yeah. Okay, take picture. Okay. So then yes, please make a quick introduction of the team.
So hi, we are Team 4. We're called the Stellar Nursery, and our robot is called a Wally. So we're called it the Stellar Nursery because it's an in-joke that we are all a little family looking after our baby robot. And a Wally stands for over-engineered Wally. You can even see the little plant he has on his back. So he's supposed to pick up the gems. Actually, I'm going to pass on to somebody who knows what he's talking about.
I'm not going to disclose any information here. All I can say is that we implemented the countdown into our algorithm, so you can actually wait for him to press, and then you count down to 5, and then it starts. So enjoy the ride, guys. Oh, wait a sec. We didn't introduce our team members. So our robot pilot is John. Give him a round of applause. Thank you. Then we have Anna with us. Natalia. Sanjita. And me, Michelle. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for the introduction. So that now the team looks ready to go. So let's count together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Go on the first trial. Okay. Oh, it's done. After some 5. Okay, it makes a very straightforward trial. So and it just made a detection of the obstacle and made a successful avoidance maneuver. It has the different type of the design for the sample correction. So this, it detects the boundary, yes. No problem, that works, okay. As far as the robot remains in the field, but let's try again, and moving back, it needs to make a turning maneuver. Okay. But challenge the boundary again, and change the orientation, hopefully. Remain in the field. Okay, good. It is approaching. Oh, it comes back to the center. But okay. Okay, yes, I understand that. It's not a timer that the early time that this robot will resume the map, but after some time, it will sense. Okay, we are staying in the field. This performance is good. Okay, so now the robot pilot requests the terminate. Just the first trial is completed, so we check the performance and correct it. one is an avoidance maneuver with contact one time, and then a gemstone collected 4 pieces. That makes 65 in terms of the team score at this moment. And yes, the team has a very nice modular kind of the mechanical assembly. So now that they are making the quick maintenance activity, so to just reset all the things, and please do not forget to connect the cables in an appropriate way. Still 8 minutes, more than 8 minutes to finish. So the robot pilot carefully set up the robot in the starting point. So okay, so let's go in 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, now it has started. Good. It approaches to the boundary, and yes, it is detected nicely and making the maneuver to stay in the field, but not this way. Not this way. He needs to change the direction. Okay, it works. Good. Yeah, approaching to the obstacle. Yes, it hit it and avoid it. Okay, very nice, perfect avoidance maneuver. Good. And another avoidance, contact and avoidance maneuver. Great. Yeah, meanwhile that this robot collects gemstones successfully and approaching to another boundary region. Oh, this time unfortunately the robot failed to detect. So this is the termination of the second trial. Okay, all right. Okay, now the second trial is terminated. Okay, so the performance of Team 4 in the second trial is 2 contact avoidance maneuvers and 1 gemstone collected. That makes 25. But still Team has one more trial to challenge much higher score.
Black one.
So this is a very final trial, so just be careful to set up everything correctly. Yeah, this engineering design looks very fantastic. Just make sure that everything is set up correctly. Okay. All right. So
4, thank you for waiting. And everybody, now Team 4 is making the final maneuver, final trial. This is the very final trial in this competition. Now that the current champion gets more than 900 points. So, yeah, but please watch it. Please watch the central field. Okay? Yeah, it's a kind of some strategy that in which direction the robot should go. Are you ready? Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Go. Okay, finally, yeah, it has started. Good. Oh, good to hit. I hope that after some time, sensor should detect it. Yeah. Very short time trial, but they got some samples. So please stay tuned before announcing the final score. Okay, we have 0 avoidance maneuvers, but it got 1 precious gemstone collected. Okay, that makes 15 points. Then as a team score, team number 4 get 65. Okay, congratulations very much for your great activities. Now, yes, all the trials by the team is completed. Yeah. All right, so thank you very much for joining us. And now that it's a final moment. We are happy to announce the winning team in a few seconds. So, okay, now I think the IT members, public relation members are making the best effort and to make it impressive or exciting. Okay, so. Okay, now we are transmitting the official data to the YouTube watcher. So then, the YouTube watcher all over the world will get to know that the final profile of the competition. I hope so. Okay, so meanwhile this, I would like to say something. Yeah. So as you observed that yes, robots are quite exciting and interesting, and there are today that we asked all the teams to make a completely autonomous maneuver. Of course, that the human operators get interactive, so that we can conduct another type of the operation. But please imagine that we send the robot to the Mars. So the distance is very large. So if we send the command from the Earth to the Mars, depending on the location, but it typically takes 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, just for the communication with the speed of light, with the speed of radio signals. So then we will get the result after half an hour. So what happens during the half an hour? It's impossible to make interactive driving. That's why that autonomous capability is very important. So there are autonomous things are nicely demonstrated today. So robot must have the sensors on board. Sensor detects something, then you need some logic to process the sensor signal and making decision and making the final action.
So such as sensing, decision, and action. So this feedback loop is very important. That is a core technology, core discipline. We call it control engineering. So control engineering is very, very important. So yeah, then I believe that this all that this information is ready on the screen. Okay, so then yeah, let me call that the teams from. So that's the result of this competition. So team number 4 obtained 65 points. That is number 4 in this competition. And team number 2 obtained 305 points. So over some 100 points is still very good point. So congratulations. Congratulations. But number 3 in this competition. Then our first team, first trial, they made a great score. That was 325. But this is the second in the position of this competition. And then I'm really happy to announce the highest score in this competition. That is 945 points. Congratulations. Congratulations.
You win. Perfect.
So now the main move on okay, so the program director Victor, will present you the award. Yeah, very fantastic tips are prepared for you guys. Yeah, so good.
Congratulations very much. The next step, now you need to do it on Mars. Okay? Alright, congratulations. Yeah, congratulations. Wow, this looks wonderful. And what was that? Oh, it looks pretty. Okay, some gifts from ISU and also our well-known Chilean Rosetta. Oh, Rosetta, that's right. Yes. Congratulations. Yeah, yes, great job. Yeah. Okay, yeah, let's take a group photo.
Battery off.
You do. ISU flag camera behind. Robotics competition is now over. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your attention and cooperation. So, see you next year. See you next year. Thank you very much, Professor Yoshida-san. Thank Thank you, our judges. Thank you, our scorer. And our next event, ladies and gentlemen, will be on Monday. So, as you know, we have received the James Webb Space Telescope images on Tuesday. Everybody knows most of them. And next Monday at 8:30 Portugal time, we have Dr. Aranyon, who is an expert in the field, who will be coming and telling us what do we actually see. Okay? Until then, enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Stay with space.